Okay, there we go. I'm gonna try and clean this up, get some material. Clean material to weld to. Ooh, the bolt moved, that's good. It already moved. I bet I can get it out then. No problem. Oh, that's luck. Guess what? Oh, I got it. See that? It moved. Oh man, it's already coming. Nobody ever gets that lucky. That's awesome. Okay. So I think I'm finally ready. Gonna use that goop. Everyone probably has their own way of doing this, but this is how I'm going to do it, so don't criticize too harshly. I've already cleaned this off and we're going to just kind of stick this guy on. Kind of matches the diameter of the original flange bolt itself, so we should be good to go. That's good. Throw this bolt in and we'll start torquing everything down. Okay, last but not least, torque them up. Check for yourself, but I researched 115 pounds. Alright, that's it, all done. Cleaned it up just on the outside here, just to give it a quick spritz of black. Just makes it clean and easier to detect if I got another leak or some other kind of problem. Alright.